new pictures published on April 22, 2020, to the China Defense blog. The latest version of Chinese-made main battle tank MBT VT-4 is now protected with new armor-era explosive reactive armor level FY4, providing protection against tandem warhead ammunition. According to our previous analysis, the first version of the VT-4 MBT was fitted with ERA level FY2. The VT-4 MBT main battle tank is now in service with 4 armed forces in the world, including China, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Thailand. The VT-4, also called MBT-3000, is a third-generation main battle tank (MBT) designed, developed and manufactured in China by NORINCO, China North Industries Corporation. The VT-4 MBT was unveiled by the Chinese defense industry in November 2019 during the China International Aviation and Aerospace or Zhuhai Air Show. The layout of this tank is very similar to the Russian tank, with a crew of 3 including driver, commander and gunner, and the use of an automatic loading system for the main armament. The main armament of the VT-4 MBT-3000 consists of a 125mm smoothbore gun fitted with a thermal sleeve and fume extractor. It is fed by an automatic loader that holds a total of 22 projectiles and charges, which can be loaded at the rate of 8 per minute. One 7.62mm coaxial machine gun is mounted to the right of the main armament, while on the commander's cupola is mounted a remote weapon station armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun that can be used to engage ground and aerial targets. The hull and turret of the VT-4 are of welded steel construction with a layer of composite armor over the front arc. The first version of the tank was fitted with additional ERA explosive reactive armor level FY2, providing protection against heat, high explosive anti-tank, and APFSDS armor-piercing field-stabilized discarding sabot ammunition. According to the latest pictures released on the internet, the latest variant of the VT-4 is now fitted at the front of the hull with ERA armor level FY4, providing protection against tandem warhead. Currently, China produces 4 levels of ERA armor, including the Free I with protection against heat ammunition, the Free II with protection against heat APFSDS ammunition, the Free III with protection against heat APFSDS and tandem warhead ammunition, and the Free IV providing protection against heat APFSDS and tandem warhead ammunition, but with 85mm thick armor blocks for the Free IV and only 75mm for level 3. The ERA armor consists of steel blocks with C4 explosives inside. Reactive armor is a type of vehicle armor that reacts in some way to the impact of a weapon to reduce the damage done to the vehicle being protected. It is most effective in protecting against shaped charges and specially hardened kinetic energy penetrators. The most common type is explosive reactive armor (ERA), but variants include self-limiting explosive reactive armor (SLERA), non-energetic reactive armor (NERA), non-explosive reactive armor (NXRA), and electric reactive armor. A high explosive anti-tank heat warhead is a type of shaped charge explosive that uses the Monroe effect to penetrate thick tank armor. Armor-piercing field-stabilized discarding sabot APFSDS is a type of kinetic energy penetrator ammunition used to attack modern vehicle armor. As an armament for main battle tanks, it succeeds armor-piercing discarding sabot APDS ammunition, which is still used in small or medium-caliber weapon systems. Tandem warheads are effective against reactive armor, which is designed to protect an armored vehicle, mostly tanks, against anti-tank ammunition, missiles and rocket. The first stage of the weapon is typically a weak charge that either pierces the reactive armor of the target without detonating it, leaving a channel through the reactive armor so that the second warhead may pass unimpeded, or simply detonating the armor plates, causing the timing of the counter explosion to fail. The second detonation from the same projectile attacks the same location as the first detonation where the reactive armor has been compromised. Since the regular armor plating is often the only defense remaining, the main charge second detonation has an increased likelihood of penetrating the armor.